This is Robert Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the SeeThruEquity MicroCap Investor Forum 2015 in New York City, New York. With me right now is Sam Wu from YuLong Eco Materials. The symbol is YECO. Sam, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me, Robert.
It's great to have you. Thank you for coming on. So for our audience that may not have heard the YuLong story before, let's get an overview.
Okay. YuLong Eco Materials started its business back in 2004. It's been running for over 10 years. Our business covers flash brick manufacturing and selling, also concrete manufacturing and selling. And this business is still stable and profitable. And now we have a new business with construction waste management business, which provide the integrated solution to the city to handle their construction waste.
All right, so Sam, let's get into the market in China for what you guys are trying to accomplish.
Well, years ago, Chinese government tried to launch a program, which is the urbanization program, which allows the cities to expand fast. And at the same time, during the expansion, there was a big problems happened here in China, which is the construction waste problem. Because during the demolition work, there was a construction waste coming out, which has the air pollution problem, which could cause the water pollution problem. Also, it consumes a big landfill for every city to take out this construction waste. So at that time, the company can provide this kind of a service to provide every city the integrated construction waste management solution for the city to help them to handle all this waste without consuming any landfill, and also it can help them to handle this environmental pollution problem.
So I want to know a little bit more about the solution itself. Can you comment on that?
Yeah, we have two solutions. One, we're going to build up the recycling center in the city. We have our hauling ability to haul in out construction waste. We process them and make them into recycled construction or building materials and sell it back to the market. We can use some of these construction waste to make our own bricks, sell that back to the market. And also we have another option. Once the demolition site has a very huge work, and we can send our portable recycling station on site. We recycle them on site, and we sell the materials on site. We don't need any hauling trucks to be there, which is not cost effective.
Okay, so basically what you're saying is you're able to go on site and you're able to convert that waste into building materials that you can then resell. So I want to know a little bit more about the business strategy itself. So who are you specifically working with in order to deliver your product and services?
Well, right now our customer is mainly all the city government, and we work with them, we help them to handle this construction waste. And our customer is basically the companies that's doing the constructions, or the companies making the building products.
So who's the competition? Because from what I understand, it takes a long time to develop these relationships with the government officials in China. So is there other competitors that are, working against you in order to get that business over your company?
Well, the interesting thing is the company is working with the government, and the government allow us to have an exclusive license to do these things in the area. So basically in this business, we don't have any competitor.
So I also want to ask you about the other side of the business within the company. So can you comment on that too?
Yeah, our traditional business is the flash brick business and concrete business. This business is very stable in the company and could generate stable cash flow to support the company's future expansion. Although there's a Chinese real estate market slowing down, but because we have an advantage in the market share, so locally, our business is running very stable.
Okay, so from what you can tell me, moving forward into the end of the year and going into 2016, what are some of the goals and aspirations that you're hoping to accomplish?
Well, we hope our waste management business could run faster, and we would expect to achieve the goal which is our total revenue going to increase roughly like 15%. And our gross margin is keep like more than 50%. And also we would think that the total revenue from the construction waste management will take about 20% of our total revenues.
So I'm curious, one more question with regard to the construction waste management side of the business, and it's a two-part question. And one is, can you put into so it's a system that you bring on site, and it can take any kind of waste management or any kind of waste and turn it into building products? And also, how fast does it turn the waste into building products?
Well, it's not everything in the construction waste, because in that we have some plastic, we have some glass, probably some clothes, wood. We have to take that out, and we process all the rest of them. We can take the metal, sell it back. We can take all these others, concrete, wasted bricks, reprocess them, sell it back to the market, and that's pretty much it.
And then when it comes to the speed of processing it, do you like reform it into something that is then resellable, or you just take as it is and then make it so that it is sellable? How does that work?
Well, for these recycled construction materials, we can use to make our own bricks. We can sell it as raw materials to other construction materials manufacturers, and also there's some rough materials. I mean, big-sized construction waste. We can use that to pave the road, as the roadbed.
So what's your background?
Well, I served for the NASDAQ-listed company for my last boss. I served that company for like 5 years, and then I joined this company. Before that, I was graduated in Britain, studied in financial control and management. Yeah.
So where can our audience go and find more information about YuLong?
Well, they can log on to the website, YuLongEcoMaterials.com, to find our information, our exposures, our future expansion, our current operations.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the SeeThruEquity MicroCap Investor Forum 2015 in New York City, New York. With me again has been Sam Wu from YuLong Eco Materials. The symbol again is YECO. Sam, thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you.